Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we will be going through how to use classes in Python. Okay, so to begin, we shall create a class. This is done by class, then the name of the class. We must initialize the class first by using def __init__. Every class you will need to initialize. Then in the brackets we will want to put self, this will be the object name, followed by the attributes you would like. So for my class pet, the attributes of a pet would be its name, species, age and colour, for example. Next we need to initialize these variables, so we use self dot, then the names, so species is set to species, name is set to name, and so on. Next I want to skip this bit of code and focus on this bit of code down here. This is where we create the objects. So I first create an object called Poppy. Then we set it to the class and brackets. The name, Poppy, its species, a dog, the age, 6, and colour, black. Now we have created an object for the pet class, which is a 6-year-old black dog named Poppy. Here we have created another 2 objects. One is a 4-year-old white dog named Daisy, and a 10-year-old ginger cat named Dave. Now if I were to print daisy.age and dave.species, it shall print 4 for Daisy's age and cat for Dave's species. Alright, so now that is done, I will show you how to use methods for a class. So I've created 3 methods called noise, details and birthday. First, looking at the noise method, we once again set the attributes to self, but for this we will be also receiving a variable called noises. So in this method, it will print the object's name variable, then goes, then the noise we receive. So for this example, we want Poppy object to make the noise bark bark. So therefore it receives bark bark and prints Poppy goes bark bark. Next we have the details method. This will only need the self attribute. This one shall print a sentence about the object. So the object name is a, then the species, who is, then the colour, and is the age, years old. So when we run this for the Daisy object, we get Daisy is a dog who is white and is 4 years old. The last method will be manipulating one of the attributes for an object. So this is birthday. This once again only receives self, but this one will get the object's age and increase it by 1. Then it will print the object's name is now the age, years old. So we run this by using dave.birthday, so that prints Dave is now 11 years old. Alright, perfect. That is it for today's video. I do hope you learnt something and enjoyed.